one thing that I like about Tekla 2024 is the new way of adding bolts between steel parts. So if we start creating bolts like old ways, hold down the shift key to see property pane and set the properties right. So hold down shift key and click the bolts, and we can see the property pane. Here you can choose the size like always. The array is important and the starting point. These are already correct. But the new is this contextual toolbar. So what is interesting is these three options that we now have. The first one is the bolts automatically detects the parts and the direction to be bolt and the faces. So everything they want to do automatically as possible. And I'm glad that I was in this testing group. So this is what we test. By default it's selected, and this is what you normally, I think, you want to use. The second option is we can select the parts we want to bolt manually, but the faces are the faces where the bolts are coming automatically. So some cases maybe you want to use this one, and the old one is the third one. So we select the manual the elements we want to bolt together, and we select the axis. So this works right away like old times, but we want to test the new way. So as you can see, we can see the preview, and it automatically selects the middle of the part like we normally do the bolts. In the middle of the part it selects and shows the distances and shows the preview. So I like this very much. For example, we need to do here. Of course, you measure the distance of X and Y, and you enter here, and you can see right away the preview, and this preview is showed. So it looks nice, and it selects by default in the middle of the plate. So it's normally we do, and we enter the bolts here. So yes, we have now the bolts. They came automatically nicely. If you want, you can select the bolts and you can change the numbers if you want, like always. The only way of rotation, for example, if these bolts came automatically bad and we want that bolts come from top to bottom, and the screws, they will fix it in the bottom. So in the old times I did, there is some rotation. Yes, there is rotation back, behind, front, below, something. I never have studied them. I did just rotate 180 degrees, but now there is in this contextual toolbar, I think, flip the bolt direction. This is nice button also, so we can easily flip the bolts. So adding the bolts, I like it very much, and this is something new that we have now. One new feature, what really the most popular feature in the world is in Tekla 2024, is more colors in drawings. First of all, to have or use more colors in drawings, we need to create more colors. So under file menu one new editor, and here you can see color palette editor. So we create a new color, add new custom color. Let's say this is yellow, very yellow, we know. Name yellow. Okay, and we can see here is yellow, and my company is my company, and let's save this. So yellow color, we can add more colors, new colors, and the file name is my company. So we have created a new color. Let's close it, and where we want to use this new color. So for example, let's take these stairs. Let's make double click on the stairs, and here you can see the colors. So visible, hidden lines, and the reference size. We change the visible lines blue, and we can see my companies here. So you can change the file name what you want to use, but I use right now my company and this yellow color, and click modify, and we can see that this element really changed this RGB color, these numbers, every software use these numbers, and this is a well-known and element went to this color. And finally, when we want to print out, these settings went to print out also print drawings. Let's make black and white, and I think line properties, and so all new colors. I think yes, we can see here RGB yellow color and this line thickness, so we can change the line thickness here, for example 20, and we can save as, and we know that yellow is corresponding this baseline width times thickness number. This thickness is yellow color, and we can print. So this is we can have as many as possible as you want, different colors in our drawings, and you can use them as you wish. So more new colors in the drawings, here you have it. In Tekla Structures 2024, I like more one small feature. I don't know how much they spent development of this, but anyways, it's very valuable and I like it very much. It's called interactive rotation center. So in the old times, we had in the contextual toolbar here, you could choose the side of the which side you want to see the model, so called. So we still have this feature, but now extra we can see the axis from bottom right corner here, and you can click from here, so it goes smoothly there, and it's very intuitive, and I like it very much. I definitely will use this feature, and I recommend of testing out for you also. So this small area here, put attention here, test it out, and see if you like it and if you are going to use it. I think it's very good and useful feature. One improvement I would like to bring out more, that's a little bit more complicated to show and test, but I believe that Tekla or Trimble development has put a lot of effort in this to have better, first of all, dimensions. I would say that if we create shop drawings automatically, then we can have these dimensions automatically, and I like this everything that is done by automatically, and there is some improvements. For example, if we select this view and dimensions, then filter dimensions, like you can see I use a lot, and edit rule. Yes, edit rule. So we can see here that we can one thing is the dimensions are coming more nicely, and I think having if it don't fit in your screen, then you use this macro that is in Tekla warehouse, but I see many options that maybe you want to use or maybe not, but you have this opportunity. But definitely the new one is only add objects on the selected side, so we can turn it on and choose to what side or where we want to have these dimensions. So this improvement, yes, let's hope that it has been automatic dimensions has been improved. And the second thing is, as you know, the first drawings we normally do, we place the dimensions, and at some point when we know that two elements are pretty similar, then we use in Tekla Structure cloning. So cloning is something that is working better now and has been improved. So I'm really happy that they have improved the cloning feature, and here we can see some examples what has been improved. So if we did cloning at the old times, then there was some yes, in some cases it cloned better, in some cases it cloned worse, but now it has been improved, and the cloning is much better that we use in every project, or we should use it. So that's why I like it very much, this improvement and this development in Tekla Structure version of 2024. The next thing I like in this version is the new things or improvement is BCF Topics. It's improving tremendously collaboration with other softwares, and especially we use these BCF things with the IFC files that supports collaboration. So to have this possibility, first of all, we now have, I need to say that now in this version we have in Tekla Structure also, but I think 1 year we have had in Trimble Connected already. So to have it and to make it work, first of all we share this with Trimble Connect file menu, Trimble Connect, and start collaboration. So we share this point cloud test, and let's say change the server Europe and create. So now we have this model in Trimble Connect, and if we go to Trimble Connect tab, first of all upload the model. Okay, we don't have anything here. Save and upload, and now we have this model in Trimble Connect, and I like this is new BCF Topics that we can open from here. Yes, uploading successfully. Accept everything. It's loading. There is no topics because we just created it, but let's create a steel column, random steel column, and add a new topic. Here you can see all the topics will come here. Add a new topic. Title, something is wrong. Description, point to who we want to assign. For me, type, we can have it's a issue, maybe, or clash undefined. Let's put undefined. Priority normal. Everything is normal in my country. due date, okay, tags, status, in progress. So we can use also IFC files. We can use if we are sharing our Tekla model in Trimble Connect, or we can use it with IFCs also. So if you are using IFCs, then you want to add references. If we add references, then we can see the IFCs. But in this case, I will not have it. Add models. And let's make markups, cloud markup. Any position is out. So we have some markup, something is wrong and everything, and save, click save. And it goes to Trimble Connect, and we have this something is wrong topic, new topic. So we see the markup. We can do the reload the view. So if we are anywhere, any place, then if we click on this topic, it goes near to this topic and we can view. So, and it's connected to Trimble Connect, and now we want to upload the model again to Trimble Connect and save and upload. So this is Trimble BCF topics are now reached to the Tekla structure also, and you can use BCF topics here also. So I like it very much. The one feature that I was waiting for a long time, and in Tekla 2024 I'm happy that we have this improvement, is IFC export property sets. So the new way how it works is we have here, for example, precast, cast in place, and of course steel. They are not, yes, we have 3 different elements, and I have added here user defined attributes, for example, different for steel part level, for different user defined attributes. And now when we want to export these elements, I select the 3 elements, file menu, export, IFC, old IFC. It works with old and new IFC. And if we select these ones, selected objects, so property sets is new thing, and we have different property sets. And if you click edit, this is what I want to show you. So first of all, we can include and exclude whatever line or rule we want. This is the file name, and here are the different rules, and I think it starts from the top to down, going different things through. So steel assemblies, we can have these IFC entities. I think modify. If we look here, then we can select IFC entities here with what it will export. I think assemblies are, if I'm not correct, then IFC element assemblies, this line is correct. But once more, we can use our filter. So with this one, filter is model IFC export steel assembly. So we have done our export filter that takes all assemblies that are steel. So we can have here steel assemblies, steel parts, different IFC property sets. For bolts, different property sets. We can see precast unit property sets, precast part property sets, cast unit property sets, cast in place part property sets, and here we can see rebars and everything else like insulations, neoprene, timber, metal is steel, but yes, we can have here everything else on assembly level, on part level, so we can cover everything and have different property sets for everything. So once you do it, create new property set, here you can see which information is included, so you can add new one or you can modify existing one. The name including is, again, you can include, exclude anything. The name is visible for IFC users or who are viewing the IFC. Tekla property, this is very handy. If we put edit and you search, you can type here as Tekla property, or you can search and it automatically tells type, which type it is. You can change it, and is it user defined attribute or from template, and so on. You can fill it out. So yes, a lot of different opportunities now. So let's close this one. Yes, we selected elements. Let's select just in case again. Use these properties, selected objects, and export. So it went quickly. Close this one and open C. Under plot files, I think it made this IFC. This is IFC that is created right now. We open with Trimble Connect. From here you can select also, you can view on assembly level or part level. And if we look, for example, concrete column, IFC, let's double click here. And concrete column, we don't have much information, but something we have. So precast part, name, profile, material, we have it here. And for steel part, we can have it select steel element. This information is added to IFC, and we can see steel assembly, steel part. So here you can see these are the IFC information that I have put together, and here you can see I have put the notes steel part, and everything is included here. If I put assembly level, let's select the same column and other assemblies, and we can see the assembly level information. There is something missing. Most probably I did something wrong, but something has come to assembly level also. So I investigate, but anyways, it's big step forward that we can export IFCs with different levels, let's say so, part level, assembly level, and different materials. Like if we have concrete or steel column, they have different property sets, as many rules as we like to do it. So I liked it very much, and I hope you like it too.